Good morning! First solo ride on my new bike. For those of you who watch my previous vlogs, I used to ride an Aprilia RS457. It's a very good bike. I love that bike. It's just that it's a sport bike. I actually plan to go to farther places with my bikes, and I don't think I can do that with my Aprilia RS457 because of the position, the riding posture, and the dynamics of the bike, for what it is designed for. So I probably want to go some light off-road back roads here in the Philippines. You know how it is here, hindi naman lahat sementado, and with the sport bike that I had, it's a little harder to do. And I think just being unkind to the bike, putting it through a situation that it's not designed for. So I entered the Ducati Scrambler. So tagal ko ng trip tong bike na to. So even before I get my very first big bike, yung Aprilia, which I really love, pero I had to sell it to get this bike. At the time kasi, bago ako bumili ng Aprilia, sabi ko, hindi ako marunong mag-manual. Di rin ako talagang matagal nag-scooter, di rin ako matagal momotor, and first big bike ko siya. So parang hindi naman nagme-make sense na 400cc agad. Ay, sorry, 800cc agad. I continue to look at 400cc alternative. So yun nga, ano ba mga meron nun? Ninja, NK, Sipmoto, ano pa, yung mga ganon, yung mga level ng ganong bike. Parang hindi kasi personality ko yung yung mga usual na bikes na ako'y Ninja, diba? Yun nga, yung mga ganon. So I was looking for something different. Sakto naman nilabas yung Aprilia. Ganda nung lumabas yung Aprilia, ganda. Oh shit, exotic, Italian design, Indian made pero Italian design, diba? So ayun, tinry ko ang Aprilia RS457. Ganda naman ako. Hindi lang ako na satisfy sa, I guess, sa support from the distributor. Wala masyadong accessories, wala talaga. Konti lang yung service centers, siguro lack of aftermarket accessories na din from the side of the aftermarket manufacturers. Kaya binenta ko si Aprilia. Tsaka isa lang yung parking ko isa lang yung available na parking for big bike sa garahe. So it just made sense to me na ibenta si Aprilia, bumili ng upgraded bike, somewhat upgraded bike, I've never felt any bike other than a Honda Click. I never ridden a bike other than a Honda Click, So ibang iba din kasi yung feeling. Actually this one, iba rin ang feeling nito sa Aprilia. Sa Aprilia, I think parang mas mabilis pa nga. yung yung feeling siguro, yung overall feeling ng Aprilia, kasi sport bike yung stance mo pang mabilisan talaga. So you wanna go fast. Ito parang you wanna go chill kasi ang chill nung pormahan. Although maangas yung forma nito, iba pa din yung forma ng ano, mga sport bike. Gago, kakaliwa pala, gasa kanang ka. Dahil pala jogging dito, ba't ako dito nagpunta? Wrong map.
Nice ride, sir.
Morning. So as I was saying, dream bike ko na nga itong Scrambler, no? Before I even bought my very first big bike. Pero dati nga hindi nagme-make sense na bumili ako ng 800cc big bike, diba? In what world would that make sense? Someone na walang experience sa big bike, only ridden scooters, actually one scooter, Honda Click, yun lang. Tapos other than that, wala na akong ibang nasakyang motor. So ngayon na medyo nasanay-sanay na ako dun sa 400cc bike ko, which I thoroughly enjoyed, no? Naisip ko mag-upgrade. Not because I outgrew the bike, but because I thought maybe I'm ready. Not because I outgrew the bike, but because hindi ako mapakali. Hindi ko nakukuha yung gusto ko. Ayun lang. So ito na, binili na natin si Ducati Scrambler. And on this bike I plan to do longer trips. Yun lang naman yun. And approve kay misis yung upuan. Mukhang nasama na siya sa akin madalas because of that, no? Which probably played the most part in doing it now rather than later. Kasi baka pag later tanda na kami, lalong hindi na siya sasama. Yun lang. Other than that, gusto ko lang siya makasama mag-ride more siguro. And she wouldn't do that kung di siya comfortable sa bike, kasi nahirapan siya mangkas dun sa sport bike. Kamote. Ito na po ang mga tekamots. Sadly, wala man tayong magagawa. Laging mayroong kamote, no? Chill lang tayo, guys. Makakarating din tayo dyan, mga sir, diba? Hindi kailangan magmadali. Dahil kung gusto nating magmabilis, kaya nating magmabilis, diba? No problem. Sabi ko lang, going fast is easy. Riding responsibly is not. Diba? Madaling magyabang sa kalsada, mahirap maging responsable, diba?